Georgia, Tbilisi. 5 hours away, Martvili Canyon. We started early morning drive with a relaxed mood and good weather, enjoying the scenery of mountains and rivers along with the good music.
Guys, this is Georgian fruit. They call this peinhua.
Peinhua.
Let me see how it tastes.
The first activity is 300 meters adventurous high-speed zip line.
خايف؟ قول حق الكاميرا شيء.
Full excited.
Full excited. أعطنا هاي فايف. No, شنو هالهاي فايف تعبان؟
Hey.
Amazing.
Tell me.
Very amazing.
How was it? Very amazing.
Your experience?
Very nice. Amazing.
Amazing.
Worth the 5 hour trip.
Worth the 5 hour trip only for this small zip line?
Yeah, of course.
Second activity is 15-minute boat rafting in the canyon.
1, 2, 3, go.
Visiting Martvili Canyon is a magical experience itself. You will experience the contrast between tranquil river and dynamic waterfalls. The height of the canyon walls reaches up to 40 meters long, and the flow of river is so slow that it seems as if the time has stopped. The absolute beauty of this place will leave you astonished. You will feel like you are in a movie. You will wonder whether what you see with your naked eye is a reality or is it just imaginary.
How do you feel?
I can't express how I feel. I don't know, speechless.
The third activity is 700 meters walking trail, where you can see waterfalls up close and take pictures, or simply just live in the moment and enjoy its beauty. Slender tree trunks, spindly branches and huge boulders and rocks covered by green moss, hanging over a sparkling turquoise blue water. Outside Martvili National Park, we found a local jeep tours who promised us about some of the most beautiful waterfalls and sightseeings in different locations.
Free-flowing river on a tape water. I haven't been into more amazing place than this. Very beautiful, beautiful Georgia.
We are on our way to a newly discovered or a secret waterfall and one of the most beautiful waterfall of Georgia. To go near it, you have to hike through this beautiful scenery. This place is called Kagho Waterfall.
I don't know how dangerous it is, but I feel like I want to go there. You can drink from it. It's very much fresh.
On our way back, we met some local villagers that live in these huts, and they claim they have obtained natural, raw, organic honey from the forest.
They sell original honey. So this is the original honey. We have our friend Abdullah.
Abdullah, how it is original? How do you know?
Because راح اتكلم عربي عشان انت
Okay, I will translate. Yeah.
تفضل.
مو مشكلة. هذا النحل النفسه قاعد يعطي عسل. اما الازهار هذا سدر يسمونه عسل سدر.
Okay.
اما الثاني الازهار
Hey.
يحطون
Okay.
على الشجر
Okay.
سكر هم ياكلونه ويسوون.
The explanation is
احسن حق الصدر بعد.
okay.
اللي عنده مرض صدر
Uh-huh.
هذا احسن.
Okay. Abdullah says that this
شكلي
is.
باخذ منك.
Abdullah says this is the honey. This is the honey, which is made from the bee itself, and the bee has eaten from the flowers and the trees and natural stuff, organic flowers. While the others, which he tasted, it was purely made from sugar. The honey, it was pure honey, but made from the bee has eaten from sugar. And also, Abdullah says that this is very good for your lungs and your general health. This is very healthy. Thank you. Shukran, Abdullah.
حبيبي حبيبي.
Adventures in Martvili Canyon never seem to stop, and our souls never seem to get tired of its beauty. We visited more places and stood in the dangerous edges of the canyon to see its beauty. Before the nightfall, we visited another yet more beautiful and bigger waterfall, and as you can see, this is the beautiful walk that leads towards that waterfall. We enjoyed not only the top touristic attractions that we visited, but the whole journey itself. Like the famous quote goes, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Final words: Martvili Canyon and Mestia are the top 2 must-go places in Georgia. So, if you plan to come to Martvili, here is a piece of advice. After visiting Martvili National Park and its adventurous sightseeing, stay a night near Martvili or Kutaisi, and next day continue your way up towards Mestia, as it will save you a lot of time and long road trips.